In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gemini Apps activity. If you've been using Gemini on the web and want a little more control over what gets saved to your Google account, this quick walkthrough will help you do exactly that. Gemini Apps activity is the record of your prompts and Gemini's responses tied to your account, and turning it off stops new interactions from being saved there. This can be helpful if you're working on sensitive ideas or you simply prefer not to keep a searchable history of your chats. Here's how to do it from the web. Open your browser and head to gemini.google.com. Once the page loads, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Activity. It may appear as a button or alongside a small icon, depending on the current layout. Click Activity. This opens your Gemini Apps activity view, where you can typically see entries from past conversations, organized by time. Don't worry, just visiting this page doesn't change anything. It's simply your control center for what's stored. Next, find the Turn Off option on this activity page and click it. This action prepares the setting to stop saving new content to Gemini Apps activity. Think of it as pausing the automatic journal of your chats so nothing new gets added going forward. It won't delete what's already there, but it does block future entries from being recorded in this section of your account. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Select Turn Off to confirm. That final click locks in the change. From this point on, new prompts and responses you create in Gemini won't be saved to Gemini Apps activity. If you rely on reviewing past conversations, keep in mind you won't see new ones show up here while this is off. A few quick notes to keep your expectations clear. This setting is specifically for Gemini Apps activity and doesn't change other Google activity controls you might have set elsewhere. Also, the interface can evolve over time, so if the button labels shift slightly, look for the same ideas: activity, turn off, and the confirmation to finalize. That's all there is to it. You've turned off Gemini Apps activity on the web with just a few clicks. If your needs change, you can always return to the activity section later and review the available options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your Gemini privacy settings quickly and confidently.